All right.
So what's up, Dean?
Well, we're trying to get Dan straightened out here and Angela's car straightened out. We had some issues with the spindle. Bearings was locked up on the spindle.
Can you point out which one it is?
This one down here was the problem. And actually it had been replaced at some point in time with one off the driver's side. The one that was on here that was given a problem by a professional shop. We won't name names, but they're nationwide. And they left them in a dangerous situation here where a wheel might just come off or freeze up.
Oh dear.
And so we got some help over here. And got Paul over here to get the brakes straightened out, get the bled and master cylinder put in. We got another spindle we had that was the spindle from the stripper car.
That's right.
That was at Madness 2009. Nobody took the spindle, so we ended up putting it on this car and putting new bearings and races in it. And I think we're good to go now.
So I understand that Dan got some expertise in putting bearing races in the thing.
Yeah, he got some help from that Sam Holloman, Sam_1956. He showed him how to do the press over there and press in the races and the bearings. Get them
so basically Dan now knows more than most of these parts places that change your oil.
Yeah, obviously he knows more than they know now, and we're going to continue to get him over here and get him good and educated where he can maintain his own vehicle, and with Paul's help right here, I think we'll be all take care of our cars.
Well, that's kind of your vision for Festiva Rescue, isn't it? To help train people up, to help for whatever we don't know, that we all get together and work on it and teach each other and get to where we can maintain our cars, isn't it?
Festiva Rescue is all about taking care of our cars and learning how to maintain them and being self-sufficient and having the parts, the used parts available to repair our cars.
Very good.
That's what it's all about. And it's the camaraderie of our brothers and sisters here working on each other's equipment and keeping it running so they can make it to the next gathering.
The next Festiva Madness, which will be, what, 150 cars, right?
Well, we don't know what that'll be, but you know what? We're going to go down to Turkey Stiva down there at Wheel and Moto Expresses Thanksgiving Day.
Oh man, that's a feast.
And if them Florida boys throw their meet together pretty soon in February and March, Madness will do their best to, well, I will be there, and hopefully some of the other local Madness members will convoy down with us.
Outstanding. Very good then.
Thanks, sir.
All right.